Students, today we will learn new topic, that is multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. What is a polynomial? What we have learned earlier is more than two terms, one or more than one term is considered to be as polynomial, an expression containing one or more terms. So first topic is multiplying a binomial by a binomial. What is, we have to multiply a binomial that is having two terms with an operation between them with the same, that is binomial. So first thing what we have to do is multiply each term of a binomial with every term of another binomial. So if a binomial is consisting of two terms, so one by one both the terms will be multiplied with each term of the second binomial. Second point is, in multiplication of polynomials with polynomial, we should always look for like terms. And we all also know that after this procedure, what is the next is we have to look for the like terms, and do like terms we will add based on their variables and powers. So let's take an example how to multiply a binomial with a binomial. Example here I have taken is x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. This we have to multiply. Okay, so first what will we do is we have to put a multiplication sign between these two binomials, that is x minus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3. Now we have to use the formula, what is written here, each term is multiplied with each term of the second binomial. So first we will multiply x with this binomial, x multiplied by 2x plus 3. Then what is the sign here? Minus 4, and now 4 we will multiply with two terms of this binomial, 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3. Okay, so like this, these two terms of this binomial is getting multiplied with both the terms of the second binomial. Now x multiplied by 2x, x multiplied by 2x, and x multiplied by 3, x multiplied by 3, and here what is the sign? That is plus. Then minus, we will take here minus 4 multiplied by 2x minus plus minus 4 multiplied by 3. So what is our answer? 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, x, the variables are same, their powers will be added, that is 1 plus 1, 2, plus 3x minus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 8x minus 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So what are the like terms here? 2x square is not having any like term, but see here 3x and 8x, these are like terms. So plus minus, so what we'll do, we will minus 8 minus 3 is 5, but here see minus 8, so the negative sign is coming in front of the highest number, that is 8. So minus 5x minus 12. So 2x square minus 5x minus 12. Like this we have to multiply each term of first binomial with both the terms of the second binomial. Now what is second? Multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. Here we are multiplying a binomial expression with a trinomial. What is trinomial? Trinomial means three terms having operation between them. Now in this we shall multiply each of the three terms. Here each of the three terms of this trinomial will be multiplied by each of the two terms, okay, in the binomial. So whatever terms are there in the binomial, that is two terms, each one of them will be multiplied with the three terms of the trinomial. Let's see this with an example. Now let's take an example. Here I have taken example is a plus 7. A plus 7 is a binomial multiplied with trinomial, that is a square plus 3a plus 5. So what we will do is we will first multiply this term of this binomial with all the terms of the trinomial. A multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5, that we have done here, and then this is our second term of this binomial, plus 7 multiplied with all three terms of the trinomial, a square plus 3a plus 5. So what we will do here, we will multiply, that is a multiplied by a square, then plus a multiplied by 3a plus a multiplied by 5, then plus 7 multiplied by a square plus 7 multiplied by 3a, 7 multiplied by 3a multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5. So each term is multiplied with this trinomial. Now here a, the variables are same, the powers will be added. So 1 plus 2, that is 3, a cube. Then a, this is a here, a multiplied by 3a, so 3a square, a1 plus 1. So their powers will be added, so 3a square. Then here what is our answer? 5 multiplied a is 5a, 7 multiplied by a square is 7a square, 7 multiplied by 3a is 7 multiplied by 3 is 21, and this variable a as it is. Then 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So we will look for the like terms. What are the like terms here? A cube is not having any like term, so it will be written as it is. Then plus 3a square, and another like term for 3a square is 7a square. We will write together. Then like term for 5a here is 21a, and 35 as it is. So a cube will be written as it is, 3a square plus 7a square. So the constants will be added. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10a square. Then 5a plus 21a is 26a, and plus 35 as it is. So this is the way. First we will multiply each term of the binomial with the second trinomial, and then we will look for the like terms, and then we will solve the like terms.